Right then lads, fresh plot, second fixing. Come on Sean. Diamondback son, come on. Weapon of choice. Where's the Deacon Blues? Let's go and get Packers. Right. Right, get in my bucket. Right, all set. Deacon Blues. Come on Sean. That is our fixing point. Right down there. They do not get double screwed, alright? Because I'll get fined. I'll get countercharged for the paint having to fill them. Lovely stuff, brother. Oh, it's the best I've ever seen, father. Check the margins. Bloody beautiful, mate. Some shape in that frame or wall, look. There we go, lads. Job is a good one. Right then, lads. Let's get our pre-cut arcs open. Pre-cut facings. Pre-cut backboard, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Oh, he's a machine. Fisher breads. Get in there. New mitre, mate, lads. Ack fix. Sounds great. Here we go, lads. Goalpost method. Who does this? I've just started doing it. Been told for months I should do it. Done it in the last plot, what a treat. Definitely quicker doing the goalpost than it is doing like head, leg, leg, or leg, head, leg, whatever weight as you do it. Lovely.